Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update disavow files in Google Search Console responsibly, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update disavow files in Google Search Console responsibly, start by logging into your Google Search Console account. Navigate to the property for the website you want to manage. On the left sidebar, scroll down and find the Links section. Click on Links to view your link profile. Check the list of external links to identify any problematic backlinks. Make a note of the URLs you wish to disavow. Next, open a text editor to create your disavow file. In the disavow file, include each URL on a new line, prefixed by domain if you want to disavow an entire domain. Ensure there are no additional formatting issues, such as extra spaces or typographical errors. Once your disavow file is ready, save the document as a plain text file. Return to Google Search Console and select the Disavow Links tool. Click Disavow Links and then click the Choose File button. Upload the plain text file you created. Confirm the upload and take a moment to review your submission for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the disavow request. It's important to note that disavow requests can take time to process. Monitor your backlinks after submission to see the effects of your disavowal. Regularly revisit your link profile to manage any new toxic links. Updating your disavow file responsibly can help improve your website's overall health and search ranking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.